Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Sheila Febriani with NPM 234111003 from Universitas Teknokrat Indonesia from Study Program Management. Have you ever felt extremely motivated at work on some days, but on other days you feel tired, lazy, and completely unmotivated? Or maybe you've seen some people who always look enthusiastic at work, while others seem to lack motivation. All of these conditions are closely related to what we call work motivations. So, in today's video, we are going to talk in a relaxed and easy to understand way about the psychological aspects of work motivations. So, we will discuss the definition of work motivation, the types of motivation, psychological factors that influence motivation, and its impact on both employees and companies. So, make sure you watch until the end. Work motivation is the drive that comes from within a person or from external factors that make someone willing to work, make an effort, and achieve certain goals in their jobs. Motivation is the engine that moves a person to act. Without motivation, it is difficult for someone to work at their best, even if they actually have great abilities. Work motivation can also be understood as the reason why someone works with enthusiasm, or on the other hand, why someone becomes lazy and unmotivated. This means that motivation strongly determines a person's level of enthusiasm and performance at work. Motivation is considered a psychological aspect because it is related to a person's mental conditions, feelings, needs, hopes, and life goals. Motivation cannot be seen directly, but it can be observed through behavior such as work enthusiasm, persistence, discipline, and responsibility. When someone's psychological condition is good, their work motivation tends to be high. On the other hand, when a person is under pressure, stress, or personal problems, their work motivation can drop significantly. This is why motivation is closely connected to psychological conditions. In general, work motivation is divided into two types: intrinsic motivation and extrinsic motivation. Intrinsic motivations comes from within a person. Examples include the desire to grow, personal satisfaction, pride in one's work, and personal goals. People who have strong intrinsic motivation usually work because they truly enjoy what they do and want to keep improving themselves. And extrinsic motivation, meanwhile, comes from outside the individual. Examples include salary, bonus, promotion, rewards, praise, and even punishment. This type of motivation appears because there are external factors that encourage someone to work harder. In the workplace, both intrinsic and extrinsic motivation are important and should support each other. There are many psychological factors that influence a person's level of work motivation. One of the most important is needs. Every individual has different needs, such as economic needs, safety, recognition, and self-actualization. When these needs are fulfilled, work motivation usually increases. Another factor is life goals and expectations. Someone who has clear goals, such as wanting to be successful, wanting to make their family proud, or aiming for a higher position, usually has stronger motivation to work harder. Self-confidence is also a very important factor. People with high self-confidence tend to be more courageous in facing challenges, more enthusiastic, and less likely to give up. On the other hand, those with low self-confidence often hesitate, fear failure, and lose motivation easily. Emotion and mental condition play a hug role in work motivation. When someone feels happy, appreciated, and comfortable at work, their motivation usually increases. However, when someone feels stressed, anxious, mentally exhausted, or unappreciated, their motivation can drop significantly. Excessive work stress can make someone lose their passion and enthusiasm. That is why maintaining good mental health is very important to keep work motivation stable. The work environment also has a strong influence on work motivation. A comfortable, supportive, and cooperative work environment will make employees feel more at home and more motivated. Good relationships with supervisor and coworkers and also increase motivations. On the other hand, a work environment filled with conflict, excessive pressure, and lack of appreciation can seriously reduce work motivation. Even someone who was once very enthusiastic can become unmotivated if the work environment is unhealthy. Work motivation has a very strong impact on employee performance. Employees with high motivation tend to be more productive, more disciplined, more responsible, and produce higher quality work. They are also more loyal to the company and less likely to think about quitting. In contrast, employees with low motivation tend to procrastinate, lack discipline, be frequently absent, and produce poor quality work. If this condition continues for a long time, it will be harmful for both the employee and the company. There are many ways to increase work motivation. From the company's side, efforts can include giving rewards for achievements, providing career development opportunities, creating a comfortable work environment, and building good communication between leaders and employees. From the individual side, motivation can be improved by setting clear goals, developing a positive mindset, building self-confidence, and continuously improving personal skills through learning and training. As an example, there was an employee who was initially very motivated because he wanted to build a better career. However, due to an unsupportive work environment, lack of appreciation, and excessive pressure, his motivation gradually decreased after the company improved the work environment and began to give proper recognition for achievements. His motivation slowly returned and his performance improved. This shows that work motivation is strongly influenced by psychological and environmental factors. From all the explanation above, we can conclude that work motivation is one of the most important psychological aspects in the workplace. Work motivation is influenced by internal factors such as needs, life goals, self-confidence, and mental condition, as well as external factors such as the work environment, rewards, and social relationships. High work motivation has a positive impact on employee performance, productivity, and loyalty. On the other hand, low motivation can reduce enthusiasm, work quality, and even trigger the desire to leave a job. Hopefully, this discussion about the psychological aspect of work motivation can help you better understand how important motivation is in the world of work, whether you are an employee, a job seeker, or a future leader. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel so you won't miss more educational content. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.